How to refund a buyer on Mercari. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can refund a buyer on Mercari. So how do you go about it? The first step is for you to log in into your Mercari website. Once you're logged in, by the top right corner of the screen, you would see the option, your profile icon. All right, instead of these options, you'll see your profile icon instead. When you see this profile icon, just click on it. By clicking on it, a drop-down menu will appear. In this drop-down menu that appears, you'll see the options, different kind of options. All right, ensure you click on the order history option, order history, and then you'll be taken to the page where all the orders would be displayed. Once you can see this, locate the order that you would like to refund the buyer. All right, locate that particular order. Then by clicking on the order, you will see some action buttons as well, such as leave a review, etc. Amongst the action button that you can see there, ensure you select the can't fulfill button. All right, click on the can't fulfill button. By doing that, a list of options will also be displayed. So choose the option to refund the buyer, and this will release the payment to the buyer, and they can keep the item. All right, so by choosing the option to refund the buyer, a list of prompts will be displayed on the screen for you to confirm the refund. Follow the prompts, and then just like that, the payment will be returned to the buyer. And if the buyer has already requested a return, you can also process the refund through the return process. So that is it. All right, so that is it. Thank you for watching, and refund that buyer today.